Alright, today super excited to get the screen for my Asus. It is a model number MB168B, and had a heck of a time trying to find this online. I called Asus. They wanted to do the repair for me at the cost of $110, and I had to pay shipping. Of course, I picked this unit up with a broken screen at a yard sale, and power's on and everything, but the screen is broken right here. So what we're going to do is show you how easy it is to replace this screen. First of all, what you need to do is get your tools together. We have to have a little prying plastic tool, which is generally in any cell phone screwdriver repair kit, and also we need a small Phillips screwdriver. So first thing first, we have to get this border off of here. So we pry into one corner, get it loose, and then it pops out relatively easy all the way around. You want to take care not to break this little dude. That comes out like so. Lay it aside. You will see 4 Phillips screws head securing the old screen in place. Which we will remove. Like so. The good people at laptopscreen.com were very helpful and knowledgeable in letting me find this particular screen at a whole lot less of a cost than Asus was going to charge me for. Again, when you call the good people at Laptop Screen, you're going to need to give them the model and serial number off of the unit itself. But guys, if it's not marked, then this little sticker on the inside of your old screen, they can cross-reference this as well. So what we'll do is a real easy setup here. We lift this tab and pull, and then the wiring harness simply slides right out, and that's all there is to it. And that's the old screen. And with just 2-day priority shipping, Laptop Screen sent me this new one. So we will peel the protective cover like so. We will get the new wiring lined up. Slides in relatively easy. It is tiny, so if you're a big guy like me and you got big fingers, I think I was going in backwards with that, can be a little bit challenging, but it slides in real easy. And then you just want to secure this bail down over the back there. It snaps in place once your harness is seated like so. Then you want to flip this baby back over. Make sure your screw holes are aligned. And then you'll snap your bevel back in place like so. And again, just solid, even pressure all the way around. That thing will snap back in. And then we're ready for a power up. Let's see what we got here. And there we go, booting up just fine. And there's the mirror image of our screen there. And then of course we can set that to extend our desktop. We can set that to duplicate our desktop. And there we are, the good people at laptopscreen.com got me going. Thank you for your time, and I hope this helps you